Upwork's top-rated badge can increase your chances of getting hired because it shows clients you've already proven yourself on the platform. That badge is one of the biggest trust signals on your profile. By the end of this, you'll know exactly what it takes to qualify and what slows people down. Here's the short answer. Top-rated is not something you apply for. Upwork awards it when your account meets specific performance signals. The first big one is your job success score. You need at least 90%. That score reflects client satisfaction across your recent work. Bad feedback, refunds, or unfinished contracts can hurt it fast. The second requirement is earnings. You need to earn at least $1,000 on Upwork. That's total earnings, not one job. For some freelancers, that's 2 clients. For others, it could be 10. It depends on your rates. The third requirement is consistency. Upwork looks at account activity over time. That means active proposals, active contracts, and regular work. A profile with long gaps moves slower. Now here's where people lose momentum. They chase too many cheap jobs. That creates more client risk. 5 low-budget clients paying $50 each can create 5 chances for bad feedback. One $500 client is often cleaner and easier to manage. That matters. Next is communication. Reply fast. Clarify scope before accepting. Set realistic deadlines. A lot of bad reviews start with bad expectations. That hurts your score. Also, close contracts properly. Old unfinished contracts can drag down your profile if they sit there too long. Ask happy clients to close the contract after work is complete. That keeps your profile cleaner. A lot of freelancers think the top-rated badge is all about skill. It's partly skill, but it's mostly account management. Good clients. Clear communication. Strong delivery. Repeat. That's the formula. And once you get it, protecting it matters just as much. One rushed project with the wrong client can damage months of progress. Quick recap. Hit $1,000 in earnings. Keep your job success score above 90%. Stay active. Manage clients carefully. Your next step is simple. Check your job success score, review open contracts, and clean up any loose ends this week. That gets you closer faster. If this helped, like the video and subscribe for more Upwork strategy breakdowns.